Hello guys and welcome back to a video. Today we are gonna play with my doggy. Her name is Daisy. She's 1 year old. But she's very fast.
Oh.
Daisy! Hey Daisy! Hey! Oh, Daisy. Hey Daisy. Oi, do you want to play? Sit. Foot. Ah! Come on, you want me, huh? Do you want me? You guys, as you can see, my dog is very strong. Ow! And she can bite very hard. Say cheese! Okay. You cannot. Go. Ow. Now you will see how fast this little dog is. Daisy, sit. Come on. Very faster than what you think.
Look at here.
It's okay, Rocky.
Oh, snap.
Oh, that's cheating. Let's kick off. This way. Tick-tock. Come on. Whenever. Yes. Oh, come. Time over. You guys, like this video, subscribe. It's not done yet, but please do that. Come, let's do maybe something. No, you're not gonna try. Do you want a rematch? Huh? Do you want a rematch? I'm gonna end the video here. So bye.